The ZEB-THUNDER is one of the best affordable Bluetooth headphone, and in this video, let's unbox it. If you are someone who likes exploring tech, consider subscribing. The ZEB-THUNDER comes in 3 colors, red, blue and a brown color. We have the blue one here. Let's keep the headphone aside for a moment and open the box. You get a user manual, USB cable and an aux cable. Let's take a look at the box. And now let's take a closer look at the headphone. You have the adjustments here. At the left you have the controls, the on and off button, micro SD card slot, volume and playback controls, charging port, a mic, and a 3.5 mm port for the aux cable. All the controls are at the left, you have nothing on the right. This headphone also has a FM mode and a memory card mode. Comment below if you use any one of these modes other than the Bluetooth mode. Now let's connect this to my phone. It shows the device as ZEB-THUNDER. It's nice to see the name rather than a random number or some weird model numbers. It gets connected quickly and you also get a sound notification on the headphone. And you need to charge this around 1.5 hours. The battery percentage is shown in my phone. The cushions are soft and you also get one at the top. It is comfortable to wear this headphone, and more on this in the full review.